Amara, and I'm here to tell you that you do not need a crystal ball anymore. You also don't need to ask others what's the best thing for you. In this course, you will learn your personal mechanism of making decisions according to your human design chart. While making right decisions, in this course you will also learn something very profound about yourself and how you interact with the world and other people. Apart from that, you will learn that profound information about your loved ones as well. All you need to know is this. If you feel human design is too esoterical, think again, because human design is a blend of science and 4 ancient traditions. If you feel my words speak to you, let me show you how incredible you are, in very practical words, in very real words. There are thousands of ways. Which one is yours? Human design is more about your uniqueness, not about changing yourself, but about going back to your nature, to your true nature. Let me show you.